Hello again, everyone. TrucksCbSales here with a tune-up and repair video for Matt, New Hampshire on this RCI-2990, aka Galaxy Saturn Turbo. Matt, we got it ready to go for you. As you see, we installed the cool blue LEDs here, cool blue LEDs here, cool blue LEDs here. Upgraded your power supply to the 30 amp power supply. Did some receive and transmit mods to it as well. Aligned the sideband for it, our tune and alignment. Replaced your PP1 recorder that was bad. Replaced your buttons, put them back where you wanted them, and you wanted an amp on off switch right here, so we put that right there. So let's get right to it. I think it's about the gist of things. Oh, and your transmit receive switching transistor was intermittent. We took care of that as well. So let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. It's about 8 watts all the way down. Right at 50 all the way up. Go over here and show you average power swing. Low 250 watt slug. We're doing about 110 bird average. Peak power. Low and about 250 peak. Hey Matt, I hope you got my private videos I sent you before and after the spectral purity. Man, this thing was pretty dirty. It is super clean now. And hope you enjoy this beautiful radio. From your friend Truck, TrucksCbSales@gmail.com. Bump bump.